Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. SUI has really followed the primary wave count here nicely and the roadmap for a full impulse to the upside in 5 waves after it also suffered quite a substantial drop here on Monday. For last week, we've been tracking this move to the upside, and the third wave pretty much reached here the 97 cent level, the 1.38 extension. And this gave us only 3 waves up. So we were watching for a shallow pullback in wave 4 and then possibly one more push higher. Already in the last update I shared with you, that was here from our Discord server a few days ago, that was from the 10th of August. One more final push to the 97 cent level would be ideal in wave 3. Wave 4 support is defined between 76 cents and 85 cents. And we can only fully determine the support zone once wave 4 starts. And you can see that the market then, I think it made a final push, one more high to pretty much 97 cents. Always be aware that there are different exchanges. On some it might have maybe slightly exceeded it. So don't expect absolute precision here in the crypto sector. But important is then that the price dipped subsequently into the support region, or at least it touched the first relevant Fibonacci support for wave 4. Which is what we want, because that gives us the minimum, let's say, the signal that wave 4 could technically be complete. As soon as these levels are reached, which could be used, for example, to place limit orders, the price could start wave 5 to the upside. And the fact that the wave 4 was quite shallow, because it really only reached the upper boundary of that support zone, means that this is quite a bullish structure at the moment. And then you also see here the next upside targets, $1.05, $1.11, $1.19. Let's go back to the live chart. And you can see that we've nearly reached the $1.05 level already. It touched the support at 85 cents. And I think I probably would have needed to slightly move the support area even higher due to that last final push we had. But it would have still been 86 cents. So it is now expected that this is the wave 5 to the upside. And again, it could reach $1.05, but I would prefer $1.11 or even $1.19. That would be an ideal target, the 200% extension. Wave 3 ideally would have pushed a little higher, but because that's really just the first ideal target, right? It's not like the maximum, the 1.38 extension. No, it's the first ideal target. So the higher, the more bullish, but it's fine. It reached it. Wave 4 was shallow, and wave 5, this is now expected to be the last push in this first 5-wave move up. Of course, at this stage, there is absolutely no sign of a top in place, and I would prefer to go a little bit higher, actually. Once wave 1 is complete, I can add the next support zone for wave 2. But this was already a nice rally that maybe some of you have traded. And then we have to see if the next larger pullback is actually going to hold support in this, what I've labeled here, circle wave 2. What I will do now, I will take out the orange micro support area. We don't need that anymore. And I will adjust the upside targets here because we don't need the 1.38 extension anymore. So we just leave on the chart what we really need. And then we can identify a support zone for wave 2 as soon as wave 1 has topped. So what I will do, I will add this, the fibs, but I'm not going to leave them on the chart right now. But if the wave 2 was starting right now, support would be between 74.6 cents. That would be the first level to watch. Bear in mind, in a bullish cycle, the support levels can be, the pullbacks can be shallow. And then we've got the 50% retracement at 68 cents, the 61.8 retracement at 62, and the 78.6 retracement. Ideally, the price doesn't break below it, or it's likely not a wave 2. So there's never a guarantee that a higher low forms, after a first 5-wave move up. But this rally looks impulsive, and it's the first indication that the trend is turning around from a downtrend that started, I think was it in March? From a downtrend into an uptrend, in March. So this is obviously a chart that I give a chance because it's an initial 5-wave rally to the upside from the October lows into the March highs in what I've labeled wave 1 or even wave A. This here would be a B wave pullback then, or wave 2. And we could now be in the C wave to the upside. I trust the yellow count more. The white count is, okay, if it's even more bullish, then yeah, even better. But For now, I'm tracking the yellow count, which would mean a 5-wave move to $2.80, and then we just take it from there. But first of all, the next higher low needs to form. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.